These UAVs can do kind of the jobs that normally would take a larger Cessna aircraft to do, and it spends thousands of dollars burning fuel just to get images of a field, where a UAV can do it in an hour and burn maybe 10 gallons of fuel, and it's much cheaper. My name is Austin Decker. I'm a sophomore in Unmanned Aerial Systems. It's a brand new program started last fall. We're really excited to see this program grow very fastly because the industry is growing very quickly. I come from an agriculture family, so that's where my background is, and we've been working with professors to implement UAS into the agriculture industry because these UAVs can do kind of the jobs that normally would take a larger Cessna aircraft to do, and it spends thousands of dollars burning fuel just to get images of a field, where a UAV can do it in an hour and burn maybe 10 gallons of fuel, and it's much cheaper than flying. So that's been my personal favorite, working and implementing this into the actual industry. In one of our UAS classes, the project is to completely start from a whole bunch of parts and completely put together this UAV, more commonly known as drone. And what we're doing is taking it, building it, and we're going to start flight testing it. And we're going to use the same drone throughout the next 3 years of my college career here. So it's kind of almost a textbook we kind of get to use. It's different from the usual textbook. I'm not the best at flying, I'll be honest. I have a more business-oriented mindset. I like looking at the government side of things. The FAA, is a little far behind in the UAS industry, so it's kind of interesting looking at how they're treating it. But that's how I got involved. So I spend most of my time with student organizations. The past 4 months, Aviation Day has been my biggest workload. I love, hanging out with my friends as well. When we're not at the airport, we're usually around the airport watching the airplanes. You can never get too much of aviation. The student organizations and leadership is one of my biggest passions, and I love it. Find what you're really passionate about. Sometimes you can't make ends meet, but if you are really passionate about the aviation industry, you'll make it work. It's not easy, but when you have a passion, you really make it work. And I always tell prospective students, always get involved. Getting involved is the best way to meet industry leaders. I just talked with Mitch Daniels this morning, and that's purely just because we've been involved with planning this event together. And it's been a great experience for me getting involved in multiple different student organizations. Hi, my name is Austin Decker, and I'm a Techie.